trip with your boy Cody Sperber once again. This time we're going to Tampa, Florida. I'm pretty excited because I was asked to give the keynote speech at a real estate investing educators conference. So I'm looking forward to being able to network and mastermind with a bunch of high-level real estate educators. And we're gonna have some fun in Tampa. So you get to come along with me and it should be a lot of fun. Let's go. All right, Boogie. I love you. All right. I'll see you when I get back, okay? All right, we're out of here. Oh, I gotta shut off lights. A lot of people don't know this about me, but Cody Sperber has an OCD. I cannot walk out of an empty room and not shut the lights off. It's a very odd thing. I've actually been known, like if I know, like say my closet light is on, I'll actually leave, like if I'm in a hurry, I'll like rush out, I'll leave the closet light on, I'll get in my car, I'll start pulling away, and my OCD kicks in and I'll pull back in the garage, I'll run back in the closet, shut the light off, and then I'll leave. Otherwise, I'll, I don't know, I get all anxiety inside. But, we're out of here. Oh, I gotta put out the notes. Before I leave on a trip, I like to write little love notes to the wife and kids. So I wrote them last night. Yeah. One to the wifey. And then Huddy Buddy, that's his seat. Friendly right there. And yeah, don't forget my phone.
You got your wallet?
Got my wallet? I don't have my wallet. All right, I have my wallet. Do you have your wallet?
Yep.
All right, wallet check. Let's roll.
Me, but I got 80 on me still.
Come on. I feel like we were just here, like we just did this. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I actually have a transport machine that'll get us there faster. All right, let's go.
Serving American.
Yes.
All right, guys, we just got to the hotel, got changed. We're now heading out to downtown Tampa. We're gonna go have some fun. You wanna have some fun with me? Come on.
Better late than never.
All right, so the reason we came to Tampa is I got invited to speak at this conference, and it's really cool to come full circle. I got into this education business in 2010, and you know, I was so passionate about real estate investing that, and I believe with all of me that a leader knows the way, and that's the period of your life where you fall in love with something and you become passionate about it and you start learning about it, and that's all the education and sacrifice and learning period. And then there's this go the way period, which I did for, you know, I started real estate in 2003. And so I was just practicing what I learned. And it was just every day trying every different investment strategy, just working, growing my business, learning. And that was the going the way period. But eventually a real leader shows the way. And that's the highest form and the truest form of leadership. And it's cool to see my investment journey and my education journey. I started in 2010 showing the way when I started Clever Investor. And I remember sitting at a conference just like this, and it was all the other educators. And I remember sitting in the seat, I was brand new in the business, and I would listen to the guys talk about growing and scaling their education businesses and best marketing practices, and they were giving out awards for the Best Rookie of the Year award and the Lifetime Achievement Award. And I remember thinking to myself, God, I hope that someday I can make a big impact in this industry. And it's cool to see now me get invited to come back to do the keynote and share what I've done to scale my business to over 8 figures a year. And I've been doing over 8 figures consistently year after year after year. I'm one of the only companies in our space to do that. And now I'm gonna stand in front of a room of 100 of my peers and get an award and teach them what's working. Pretty cool stuff. But first, we have to have fun. Tell me the code. I want to know the code.
You terrorist?
All right, guys, on today's helicopter ride. You fly planes too?
No,
Just choppers. Get to the chopper! All right, there she is. Look at that beauty. All right, how long you been flying?
like a week.
Haha, just kidding. There is no way to look cool when you have like a dick parachute.
So there's a fire extinguisher up here in the front in case I burst into flames because I haven't been to church in a while. There's 2 red tabs. You're gonna pull on one of the 2 and it'll inflate for you. So I'm just gonna go
Now,
check
if you're
on
an overachiever and you pull on both, does it still inflate for you? Because that's probably
hopefully, yeah.
when I'm
Hopefully it
panicking,
inflates.
I'll definitely go for both.
Yeah, it's either or.
Okay.
Or good luck swimming. I'm gonna go check the duct tape.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
That was perfect way to see Tampa.
That was sick.
And we didn't crash, so that's good. Just get me over here hurling. Oh my god, that was so fun. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little motion sick.
That was crazy.
That was cool.
On to the next adventure.
Let's go. All right, just got off the helicopter. We're grabbing an Uber to go over to the aquarium real quick. Psych, I'm hungry. Let's go. How about that?
How was that?
It's good.
Pretty good.
Good food here. All right. What else do you do in Tampa but go to the aquarium?
As well. It is an extra price on your ticket, but you guys get to walk in.
What's it doing?
Actually, like a rapid
You really can't see it.
Okay, now just slowly back away.
I feel it.
Saying you can smell.
Oh, it's
What's it feel like?
slimy. Yeah,
I'm gonna touch it.
There's no way you're touching it.
I could touch it.
You could
I
not
could.
touch it.
I could touch
I
it.
don't think so. Not without
That's
your sleeve going
sketchy.
in. Your sleeve's gonna go. Dude, what are these two doing?
That's the. Oh.
They're just chilling. There's like 2 of them.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
Yeah. They're just chilling. They're
Chilling.
just hanging out. So, what did the fish say when he posted bail? I'm off the hook. Got another one. How come fish always know how much they weigh? Because they have built-in scales.
Touch it. I dare. I dare you
No.
to touch it. I'll touch it.
I'm not touching that.
I'll touch it.
It says do not touch.
That's, I don't see it.
It just says touch.
Yeah.
What do you think, Watson? I'm fucking touching it.
Do it. Do it.
That was a bad idea. Why did the fish blush? Because he saw the ocean's bottom. Dude, that is nuts. All right, I got a snake joke. Ready? Why did the snake's wife file for divorce? Because he had a reptile dysfunction. What do you call a crocodile in a vest? An investigator. What do you call a fish with two knees? A two-knee fish. That is terrifying. What fish makes the best sandwiches? A peanut butter and jelly fish. All right, I promise. This is gonna be the last one. What do you get when you cross a banker with a fish? A loan shark. All right. You can't come to the aquarium and not get something for the kids, so what do you think my daughter would like? A sea otter or a dolphin? Ooh. I'm going sea otter. And for my son, we gotta get a shark. Boom. That'll work.
What'd you go back and get?
Oh, I had to get the squishies. First off, look at this. They're so satisfying. Just sit here all day and just squish, 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 squish. All right, what do you think? It's amazing. It's so bad. It's so good. That might be the best picture ever. All right, we had some fun. The aquarium was awesome. The helicopter ride was insane. Got a little nauseous, but it was cool. And I'm glad you guys got an opportunity to come hang out on our Tampa trip. What do you guys think about these types of videos? Put in the comment section below, what kind of videos do you want to see from me? More motivational, inspirational stuff, marketing, sales, real estate? Put a comment down below right now and let a brother know. And look, life is too short not to be having fun. You guys can see I work hard, but we also play hard. And I include my team in it as well, because I think it's really important that if you spend, I don't know, half your life working, you might as well do it with people that you enjoy hanging out with and make it a fun environment. So never forget that. Money's cool, but when you can pair making money and having a lot of fun together, that's when life gets real, real good. All right, that's all I have for you guys on this video. Like it, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. See you later, alligator.